Do you know how to eat healthy but need a little extra help in making good choices throughout the day due to busy lifestyle? Meal replacements can help, and I'm going to show you how. Meal replacements are packaged food that is nutritionally and medically designed to provide a full, balanced meal, allowing you to feel full while you're making changes throughout the day and for a healthy lifestyle. They can come in various forms: shakes, bars, soups, puddings, cereals, and others, to provide you with a food item to eat during your busy lifestyle. Many of us are committed from the minute we wake up until we go to bed with getting up. Some children sometimes have children duties or not, our pets. We have to get to work. We have after work chores and duties to do, and just meal prepping, shopping, preparing can become difficult. So what if we simplify that process by allowing you to have pre-fixed meals that are portable, do not need to be refrigerated, travel internationally because they are without liquid, and providing you with as much as a burger or a steak as far as protein goes with each serving. Makes it very easy to follow the plan and yet lose weight, not feel hungry, receive all the nutrients you need, not lose muscle mass, instead lose fat. Meal replacements were created many years ago, once upon a time when patients were overweight and health underweight before the surgery was widely available. They were used to put patients in the hospital and give them meal replacements for several days, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, to induce massive weight loss. Now, some of these patients wound up proceeding to have weight loss surgery, but many had great success, and therefore meal replacement medical science continued to develop. We have had them for close to 40 years, and the taste and texture has dramatically improved. So, don't think of it as food in a box or powder, but a delicious shake, pudding, bar, soup. It really depends on your taste. They come in various flavors. And so throughout this medical science, we're able to provide a customized approach to each patient depending on their height, weight, and goal weight, and how many pounds or fat we would like for them to lose. These are different than just regular store-bought shakes that you see at various department stores, online vendors, because they are nutritionally and medically designed by medical weight loss professionals that specialize in weight loss and understanding its physiological pathway. Anybody can drink a shake. For example, my son drinks some protein shakes after a workout. These are not the same as what we have as far as meal replacements. Meal replacements are designed to allow the body to lose weight in a healthy way while maintaining muscle mass. They can be used with or without weight reducing medications. So there's a lot of flexibility. They can also be used with weight reducing medications to make sure that muscle mass is not lost. So they're quite versatile. Again, they help simplify and accelerate weight loss. In fact, I have patients who came to me after failing to lose weight on the very popular shots that we have available today, Wegovy, Ozempic, Mounjaro. They lost minimal and still had much to lose. I also have had patients who stalled with their sleeve or gastric bypass, and when provided with several meal replacements or full meal replacement with one whole meal, we're able to reach a new goal weight and maintain it. So when thinking about ways to improve your weight and health without sacrificing taste, think about medically supervised meal replacements to assist you in achieving your goals. You can visit and learn more on my website at www.drrotamamir.com, and I've provided you with the link. Thanks.